Let me introduce myself and my team member. Myself Shizuti Odhura and my team member is Samir Ahmed Khan and Mr. Labib. We are a student of Rightsight Education in Iqbal Nagar branch. Today our presentation is about the famous and greatest most of popular singer Atif Aslam.
Hello everyone, thanks for giving us the opportunity to speak something in front of this class. So first of all, let us introduce our group and today's activities to you. Our group consists of 3 members. At first, I myself, Mera Hussain, give an introduction on our topic selected today, which is the biography of renowned artist John Labib. Then my team member Fatin will give a brief discussion about John Labib, and at last, Otto will give the conclusion. Known as Shilpacharya, who was well known in 1944 through his series of painting during feminism in Bengal during the British colonial period.
We're going to show our presentation. It's about my favorite artist, John Labib. He was born in 29 December 1940 in Murmanski.
John Labib, an artist of exceptional talent and international repute, he played a pioneering role in the modern art movement in Bangladesh. He was well known for his pioneering role in the modern art movement in Bangladesh. He was well known for his leadership qualities, his organizing artists and art activities in a place that had of John Labib. These drawings became iconic image of human sufferings. These sketches helped him find his way in a realistic approach that focused the human sufferings. John Labib born in Kishoreganj on 29 December 1940.
Here we have prepared a project about our favorite artist. This singer is this singer is one of the most popular singer in our South Asia. He was born in 12th March 1983 in Wazirabad, Pakistan. At his childhood, he wanted to be a cricketer, but he couldn't. Then he was slowly falling in love in music. His first song was released when he was in college. Then in 2004, 17th July 2004, his first album Jalbari was released. His first song was Adat. It was a very famous song. In 2019, he got 3 awards for his song Adat. He received one of his awards from the Pakistan government. We saw a concert of him on 18th April. He was there for 2 days. There are a lot of fans of him in Bangladesh. They all were there to support him and enjoy his concert. He also made very more concerts all over India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Now,
after lifting the ban on Pakistani artists on October 2023, Atif Aslam is returning to Bollywood as a lead singer of the movie Love Story. We hope that he will be immortalized as by his work in future. Thank you.
The famous artist and John Labib. If we talk about his best art, we must talk about Fisherman 1970, where the struggle.
Miss Faiza, my team member Nishan and Zakir already talked about this painter, but I want to add some more. Like, he is a great artist, and but he is not only famous for his artist, but also memorable for his contributions in art. He is the pioneer of art of Bangladesh. He founded different institutions for art, like he founded institution in Dhaka in 1948. He also founded a folk art museum in Sonargaon in 1975.